Okay, everybody, welcome back. In this video, we're going to attempt to get a roll in XPEV. So what we're looking at here, last trade price, I entered XPEV and got $45 credit in a $1 wide trade. The trade is losing. You can see price is at 47.17 and my spread is the 50.51. My break even is $50.55. So I need to get this trade rolled. All right, now look over here on the right side, average trade price $45. Right now I'm down $33. After the roll, this is going to be where we have to look. It's in the chains category. Right now, it's accurate and it matches this number, but once I roll, those two numbers won't match. So let's see what we can do about getting this rolled. Two things that we can do. We can roll the expirations, we can roll the strikes, or we can roll the strikes and the expiration. All right. The first thing I want to do is just see if I can add a little bit of time and get a credit just for that. So I'm going to just go out 1 week and I'm going to have the same strikes. Okay. So here we are 1 week out, same strikes. They're offering me a debit, not a credit, and this doesn't fix the problem. I would still be deep in the money. I need to get out of the money. I need to get at the money. Okay, so I'm going to start moving my position in that direction. Now the original trade was $1 wide. Okay, and I'm going to try to make this a little bit bigger. So now I've got $1.50 wide and they're offering me 5 cents credit. While I already have 45 cents credit, this will make me have 50 cents in credit. But keep in mind, your broker commissions are going to interfere with all of this. So I paid commissions to open the original trade. I would be paying commissions here. Our target should be near the $75 in credit if we got a $1.50 trade. I'm not going to stick to my guns on that 100%, but if I can get that kind of profit, then that's what I would want to aim for. Okay, so just kind of keep in mind that what we don't want to do is roll for a debit. We want to roll for some kind of credit, even if it's just the commissions. Okay, so now right here, I lowered the strikes just a little bit more, and I've still got $1 credit. This would give me a break even of $47, which would put my break even back underneath the market. Let's go look at XPEV and put it on a daily chart so we got an idea of what we're trying to work with here. So here's the daily chart, XPEV. We really want to get down around the 45, but I don't think we could do that in one day, in one roll, in one opportunity. Also, it's harder to get a roll on a day that we're down. So that's just another aspect of it, right? We had attempted to trade a trend line breakover. This is a trend line breakover here that was successful. We tried to do that again here. We had the beginning of a trend line breakover and then it stalled and it failed. So right now we're in the basing pattern. More than likely this is going to hold and we'll run the breakover later on. But for right now, we're running out of time in this trade. It needs to be fixed. We need to get that break even lower down. For one thing, just to get our options from not being so deep in the money. Okay, so I'm going to try to work this order. I don't know if it's going to get filled. But the idea here is, while I'm not getting a really great credit, I won't be balanced again in a one-to-one trade. I will get my break even lowered on the chart. I want to do it for enough credit that I at least get commissions. Right? That's right now. That's the main thing for me. I'm not really interested in trying to balance the trade. I'm more just interested in getting the trade rolled with at least the commissions covered. $3 would do that. So if I can get this trade rolled and get $3 in credit, then I'm going to be okay. I don't really like it, but it's doable. It works for me. Now guys, on this platform, on Tastyworks, when we make a roll and it shows you credit, it's going to add this credit to your original trade. On Thinkorswim, it would just show you your new credit value. Okay, so if I was doing this roll on Thinkorswim, it would tell me that I was going to roll the trade for 48 credit. It wouldn't be adding 48 to my original position. It would just give me a new position with 48 credit. I hope that makes sense. All right, so that's it, guys. Short and sweet. We're going to try to roll XPEV out.